Namar ka jingkan Thait Vice Chancellor ka Nehu ban Khot wat hadian bakila pha jingtep ki Samla puli ka school ba Nehu hapo kalama ka North Eastern Hill University Students Union kira Rung hino ha Kamra Vice Chancellor u Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla ka Nehusu kaladawa na Vice Chancellor ban Khot no ya ka jinyalang ka Academic Council hapo shitayo banyakran ya ki shipho kimat balam menjur ka University Grants Commission habakaran shikla batai kubor mentaka sngi ka arpulai tarik nailur ajar pesau u President ka Nehusu u ba sandi sotun ula kamba u Professor Shukla ula kentat ban kendu yakinong yalam keseng hadian bakila pha jingtho ban kendu por shibaje bat hadian balas ngutho ba Tre ban Khot yakran kinong yalam ka Nehusu bat kid Khot kira Rung hino hakam rajong u hadian bakila ab ba Khot hadu lai beje janmit u ba sandi ula ong bakaseng kala dawa bade ban pentri Kamra dor ka draft ordinance OC arpho kabala menjur daka shispa Khot Academic Council meeting kabalong ha ujal dio menta usnam nak benta ka kenhun puli arhajar arpu hadu arhajar arpu saw shakman
Discuss with us.
No, I am ready to discuss with them, but the matter should be the proper.
Yeah.
Yes.
This reading meeting is not a proper matter.
That the university already has taken a decision.
Then we need to discuss.
No, no. Why are you going to discuss? We already taken.
Any information regarding that?
No, that is not. That
You
is
have to let us know. This is the student issue.
No.
It's not your
This is not the
issue.
student, the controller.
Yes, but we should know the issue and we should know the resolution of it. It's not that you have to know alone, okay?
No. Controller of examination is already doing from last 1 week.
That's what
They are already doing.
That's what because we want to meet with you and to discuss on this matter.
No. Again, you don't do one.
No.
Don't try to pressurize me.
No.
I'm
It's not that we want to pressure you.
No.
But the thing is that we want to meet and discuss on this matter.
Matter is already taken.
That's what we wanted to know. That's what we wanted to know.
Decision is already taken and given direction is given to controller.
So what is the problem there to
Yes.
inform us?
No,
What's the problem?
that is not required.
Why? It's
Yes,
why?
no,
Why?
no,
Why?
no.
Why is it not required to inform us?
You can take the